Larry Nassar was already facing child sex abuse and child porn charges, and tomorrow he'll be arraigned on 22 new counts of first-degree criminal sexual conduct, which could put him in prison for the rest of his life. This is the first time he's been charged with molesting women who were his patients. They saw him for various injuries at his home, his office at MSU Sports Medicine, and at the Twistars gym in Diamonddale. And as Christopher Lane reports, the Attorney General says this is just the start.
These girls, this should have been a time of innocence for them. But instead, Larry Nassar stole that innocence from them when, under the guise of medical treatment, he sexually abused and sexually violated these young women. And that's why we're pressing these charges today.
The 22 first-degree criminal sexual conduct charges make 25 state counts to go along with federal child pornography charges against Larry Nassar. But Attorney General Bill Schuette wants more.
I'm asking anyone who may have been a victim of Larry Nassar to come forward and please tell us your story.
Right now, the Attorney General's office has its hands full with complaints already filed through Michigan State University Police Department.
MSU has received about 80 complaints, allegations from more than 80 people that they have been abused and violated by Dr. Nassar.
The Attorney General's office is evaluating each of those complaints, deciding whether there's enough evidence to take them to court, and more are rolling in almost daily.
We anticipate there are more victims because almost every day MSU PD receives more complaints and phone calls.
The MSU PD is investigating each of those allegations and turns its findings over to the Attorney General's office. Schuette says it's important to bring as many charges as possible to make sure there's justice for every victim.
No longer will Larry Nassar be able to prey on young women.
Christopher Lane, Fox 47 News.
Nassar will be in court tomorrow for his arraignments in both Ingham and Eaton counties. The state charges come as 3 new plaintiffs are asking to join the federal lawsuit against Nassar. The women say they were minors when Nassar molested them under the guise of medical treatment. One saw him for a shoulder injury, another for a hamstring injury, and the other for a groin injury. More than 30 women are suing Nassar in federal court.